Welcome to Cashbag Online, where money speaks. In the digital age, making money online is more attainable than ever, and print-on-demand, POD, is an exciting avenue to explore. Imagine transforming your creativity into income without the hassle of managing inventory or shipping. This business model allows you to create custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and art prints, where items are produced only after a purchase is made, minimizing your risk. To embark on your print-on-demand journey, start by selecting a niche that resonates with your interests and target audience. Consider trendy themes, clever quotes, or stunning graphics that can captivate buyers. Research popular designs and styles in platforms like Etsy and social media to understand what consumers are drawn to. Your unique point of view will set your products apart from the competition. Next, delve into the design process using user-friendly tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator. Invest time in creating eye-catching and high-quality designs that reflect your chosen niche. Remember that clarity and simplicity often catch the eye, so focus on impactful graphics or messages. Once your designs are ready, choose a reputable pod provider such as Printful or Redbubble to handle production and fulfillment. After establishing a product line, marketing becomes essential to drive traffic and sales to your online store. Utilize social media platforms including Instagram and TikTok to showcase your items through engaging posts and stories. Collaborate with influencers who align with your brand to reach a broader audience. Additionally, consider building a website or using platforms like Shopify to create an online storefront that allows for seamless shopping experiences. Lastly, embrace the power of customer feedback and continuous improvement. Monitor sales metrics and customer interactions to learn what works and what can be refined. Engaging with your audience and offering exceptional customer service will foster loyalty, leading to repeat sales and positive word of mouth. By leveraging POD, you will not only make money online, but also build a brand that resonates with customers. In conclusion, print-on-demand is a powerful tool for aspiring entrepreneurs. With creativity, market research, and effective promotional strategies, you have the opportunity to turn your passion into profit. Embrace the journey of building your online business and watch your ideas flourish into a thriving venture.